Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology, bringing you an update on the unseasonal rain that's occurred across southwest of Western Australia in the last 24 hours. And it's resulted from an upper level trough system, which is linked up with this tropical low as it's moved towards the south. It's generated a very thick cloud band and some very heavy rainfall across the southwest of the state. In fact, Perth to 9 a.m. this morning recorded 114.2 millimetres, which is its second wettest day on record. And many other locations recorded above 50 millimetres, which is well above average for this time of year. And we did see flash flooding. And we also expect to see some river rises across the weekend as all of that water starts to move through the river system. So we may have warnings across the weekend, so stay up to date on the Bureau's website. Now, the rain is expected to continue for today. Another 30 to 60 millimetres is possible throughout the lower west, Great Southern, southwest and south coastal districts. Possibly up to 80 millimetres in some locations, but the good news is that heavy rain is expected to begin to ease later this afternoon. There is still showers and thunderstorms forecast for Perth across the weekend though, so stay up to date with all the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau's website and the Bomb Weather app, and you can also get updates on Twitter.